This is a dedication to everyone who has a best friend. Or I guess since everyone has a best friend, I guess it's dedicated to everybody. Let me tell you about mine. This is a dedication to my best friend. Long life friendships never seem to end. You may prefer country songs over rap songs, but I express my feelings over rap songs. You like to talk a lot, so I call you a big mouth. When the weather gets cold, you're not going south. Wearing purple on my shoestrings and shirt. I have your back when you feel the most hurt. A dedication, love, and memory on one shoe. We all the 18, so I put it on the other shoe. I want you to know that I care for you. If that means singing old songs with you, or we sit around talking in the parking lot, going through problems, both been through a lot. I told you everything, thought we'll never be apart, but always know you have a special place in my heart. Many people walk in and out your life, but only true friends will leave footprints in your heart. Many people walk in and out your life, but only true friends will leave footprints in your heart. 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 Now haters gonna hate no matter what you do, and haters gonna hate no matter what you say. Like moving away, starting a new life is a crime. I'm happy for you. Prove those haters wrong over time. Dealing with a mad black woman at my front door. All this time she's gonna throw me out the back door. That's why I have to thank you for setting me free. I was trapped in the prison cell, but you found the key. Video cameras catch my every thought and move. My safe haven was the right away in my room. When I was getting stressed and shit got to me, sometimes we talk it out while playing Call of Duty. You always felt my pain and can always relate. If I'm taking over the world, my friends are my estate. I said my friends are my estate. My friends are my estate. Many people walk in and out your life, but only true friends will leave footprints in your heart. Many people walk in and out your life, but only true friends will leave footprints in your heart. 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 Many people walk in and out your life, but only true friends will leave footprints in your heart. Many people walk in and out your life, but only true friends will leave footprints in your heart. 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 Will leave footprints in your heart.